Hello, welcome back to Nerf Nerd Productions. Your good buddy Otis here. Doing a review today. Today we've got Doom Lands Negotiator. Now, if you can't tell, Negotiator is pretty much just a hammer shot reshell. Like all the Doom Lands, or most of the Doom Lands blasters, has a clear panel showing you most of the internals. You can see here the spring priming action and how everything goes through. Looking close through it in there, you can see the internals are identical to the hammer shot, aside from they change the color on it. That way it makes it a little bit prettier when you're looking in. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 shot revolving turret. So that is one plus that they upgraded from the hammer shot. The hammer shot is a 5-cylinder. This is 8, a little bit better. Downside, they added a whole bunch of plastic up top and on the bottom. Makes it pretty big. Darn near impossible to holster this thing. Plus side, it does have some really cool aesthetics. Painted up and look real good doing a steampunk style prop for cosplay or display piece. All that being said, it's a little bit more expensive than a hammer shot. It does get 3 shots more. So, is it worth it? Your choice, you know, it's 3 shots more. You can get an 8-shot cylinder for the hammer shot, however, that's about $20 to $30 plus tax just for that cylinder and the hammer shot. Comes with enough darts to fill it. They are standard normal elite darts, however they have changed the colors, orange with black tips. No difference in anything else aside from the colors on it. It's a pretty decent blaster. I suspect it's going to perform just like a hammer shot stock. It does have a top rail up top here. However, putting some kind of an optic up here when you're shooting from down here, not very feasible. And also that's going to add a whole lot more height to it. Not too bad of a blaster. It has a cool look to it. Decent feel. Everybody knows I'm a hammer shot enthusiast. Just like a hammer shot, you sit there and just go through round after round, one-handed, which means you can dual wield. Oh no, not a bad blaster. So, all that being said, if you want to get it, get it. If not, up to you. So we're going to go and do a range test and see how it performs. Okay, so let's find out how it stacks up. There's 8 shots. Let's see how far we've got. Some around 45. One about 55. Okay, so we're hitting anywhere between 65 and 72, 73. About stock for a hammer shot. Hammer shot only has 5 shots, this has 8, so of course we're going to have a few more shots to vary in. So, all in all, not too bad of a blaster. You get a decent range on it. Till next time, have a good night, day, morning, whatever it may be.
Bye.